Welcome. Are you a refugee in Italy? Would you like your family to join you here? The procedure can be long. This video will explain all the various stages of the procedure. Can I be reunited with my family members? Yes, if you have refugee status or subsidiary protection status, a 5-year residence permit, you can apply for family reunification. Under Italian law, there are special arrangements for you. Which family members can join me in Italy? Your wife or husband if they are aged over 18. This applies also to civil partnerships, whether contracted in Italy or abroad. Your children aged under 18 or your spouse's children, whether legitimate, biological, adopted, fostered, subject to guardianship or born outside of wedlock, but only if they are not married. If you are the only parent applying for family reunification, the other parent must give his/her consent. Your adult children, but only if they are dependent on you and unable to provide for their basic needs due to documented and serious health problems. Your parents aged under 65, but only if they're dependent on you and have no children in your country of origin or country of residence. Your parents aged over 65, but only if they are dependent on you, even if they have other children who are, however, unable to support them because of documented and serious health problems. If you're an unaccompanied child, you can be joined by your parents, regardless of their age. What do I need? To apply for family reunification, you must have a valid residence permit or one which is in the process of being renewed. The following are also useful if you have them: passport and valid travel document, proof of family relationship, such as a marriage certificate, birth certificate, proof of family status, etc. What do I not need? You do not need to have adequate accommodation, minimum annual income, health insurance. You do not need the passport of the family member who wishes to join you, but if you have a copy, attach it to the family reunification application. What is the family reunification procedure? Your family members will be able to join you to Italy after you receive clearance. For clearance, you must visit the following website. Enter all the information and send the required documents to the email address provided. When you have made the online application, you will be asked to attend an appointment at the immigration office at the prefecture. Remember to bring the following to your appointment: original of your revenue stamp receipt, 2 revenue stamps of €16, 2 photocopies of your residence permit, your ID document and a photocopy of it. If available, photocopy of documentation relating to family members who wish to join you. Combined certificate relating to family status and residency. The immigration office will check the documents and provide you with a confirmation document. You will receive clearance within 90 days. If the immigration office refuses to grant you clearance, you are entitled to appeal the decision to your local court. What must any relative of mine do before setting off? Notification of the clearance will be sent by the immigration office to the Italian consulate of the country where your family member is living. Once your family member receives the clearance, he must attend the embassy to apply for an entry visa and bring the originals of the documents confirming his/her identity and kinship. The relative must also have a valid travel document and tickets to travel to Italy. If you are being joined by a child of yours under the age of 18 and there are no valid documents establishing that you are the parent, you may be asked to take a DNA test. Your relative may set off once he has received a visa. And finally, you will be able to hug each other.